to my kitchen. Today we are going to make the mother of all omelets. Come on! Step 1. Summon 24 eggs. Step 2. Peanut every egg. Step 3. Burn all the peanut eggs. Oh right, we are a family-friendly channel. Burn peanut. And from the ashes, the mother of all omelets will be born. So, what do you think?
It is impossible that you have done it again, after you have been warned.
I'm sorry, Commander.
Not this time. You will get out from it with a sorry, Belfast.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to check our other social in description.